Most forms fail for one simple reason: they ask too much, too early. In this video, we'll learn how to use progressive profiling in Outgrow by asking users questions only when they become relevant. Let's get started. First, log into your Outgrow dashboard and open the content piece where you want to make changes. Next, give your quiz a title and short description. Now, let's start adding the questions. The first question should always feel simple and low commitment. Avoid asking for personal details too early. For example, let's ask, what is your primary goal? Now add answer choices like build trust and credibility, generate more leads, increase brand awareness, improve conversions. This type of question feels easy to answer and helps users enter the experience naturally. Next, we'll create personalized question flows using Logic Jump. Inside the question scroll, and you will see the Apply Logic Jump option. Click on this and then click on Add Condition. Now you can see the question, what is your primary goal? Now set the operations like is equal to, is not equal to, is filled, is empty. After that, choose one of the answer options. In this example, we'll select Build Trust and Credibility. Next, move to the Jump to or Redirect to section. Here you can decide where the user should go next after selecting that specific answer. For example, users can jump to or redirect to questions or the outcomes. At the bottom, configure the fallback logic for all other responses. In this case, users selecting different options will automatically move to question 2. This keeps the experience personalized and prevents users from seeing irrelevant questions. Now click Done to save the logic setup. Next, continue adding follow-up questions based on user intent. For example, you can ask, what challenge are you currently facing? The key idea here is to ask questions only when they become relevant in the conversation. As users progress through the experience, you can gradually collect more detailed information like business goals, team size, marketing priorities, or budget range. Now let's add the lead generation form. Instead of placing the form at the beginning, place it near the end of the experience after users have already interacted with the quiz. Ask only for important details like name and work email. You can also keep optional fields if needed. This timing works better because users already received value from the interaction and are more likely to complete the form. Next, customize the results page based on user responses. Personalized outcomes make the experience feel more relevant and increase conversions. Now, open the integrations section inside Outgrow and connect your CRM or email marketing platform like HubSpot, Mailchimp, or Salesforce. This allows all collected profile data to sync automatically with your marketing system. Once everything looks good, click Publish Changes and share your interactive experience with your audience. And that's how you create a progressive profiling experience and Outgrow using Logic Jump to ask questions just in time instead of overwhelming users up front. Start creating smarter customer journeys today. Build personalized, high-converting experiences effortlessly with Outgrow.